hanging out with about a couple dozen of my new favorite friends. How are you guys? You having fun? This is our mini audience. We just put them to work weighing in on their fashion opinions. Now I'll ask you for one more opinion, just for fun. How does everybody feel about dessert? Yeah. I thought that would be a pretty popular one. It's always a good idea, we say, to say yes to dessert. Studio 5 food friend Amy Richardson is pointing us to the city's newest sweet stop, and here's why.
Hi, it's Amy here from Great Taste Buds, and I'm downtown in Salt Lake City at the newest and the greatest place to come and get dessert. It's called Last Course, and they have these, it only does dessert. They have these incredible desserts. Let's go in and check it out. Okay, so it's really cool and modern, perfect for a date. You can come in here and they have all kinds of great things. They have a huge menu of all kinds of really kind of exotic and beautiful desserts, and then they have fantastic homemade ice creams that you could try with like really unusual flavors like pear and blue cheese. I don't know if that appeals to you, but fun to try, right? Or cherry and jalapeno, lots of good things. So this chocolate ball, I tried to make one, it's really hard. But these ones actually here are imported with the most incredible chocolate. So what it is it's like two hollow pieces of chocolate they put together, and then you melt out kind of like a circle on the bottom, and then you put your dessert underneath. And then surprise, wait till you see what happens. So divine. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the kitchen, and I'm going to show you how to take one of these fabulous desserts and make it in your own home.
And Amy is here now that we're all just starving for a little sugar lunch, right? Last Course, 2 locations, downtown and Draper. I kind of love the idea of a dessert studio.
Isn't that such a fun idea? I love it. And I think if you're kind of out on a date night, or if you were going to the Eccles and seeing a show, maybe that would be a fun thing to go do.
Absolutely.
You know, just afterwards. So
what kind of inspiration can the at-home cook or baker take away from a dessert studio like Last Course?
Well, I actually think it's easy. So much of it, what they do there when you watch them, it's just easy. They have homemade ice creams and things like that. That's not easy. You'd have to, you know, really do some prep. But a lot of their desserts, they just kind of put together with things that you can buy. And so I thought that I could show how you could basically do a Last Course type dessert.
Yeah, if you're having a date night in, or you just want a special occasion, kind of showy dessert for an event.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. Girls' night, mom and daughter, you know, let's have this lava cake or this kind of thing. Or, but you know, I think a lot of people don't eat desserts like every night, not fancy desserts.
Right.
So it definitely is a special occasion, or late night date with your husband.
Or Mother's Day.
Or Mother's Day.
How about that
yeah.
coming up? All right, what's your first idea?
Okay, so the first thing I have is it's just a layered dip. They have strawberry nachos, and these. So I kind of did my own take on it because you can buy these. You could either make chocolate chips if you wanted, but these you can just get them. They're Belgian chocolate thins, and you can just buy them like this. They kind of look like a potato chip.
Move over, Ruffles.
I'm no kidding. And then you can just kind of, in fact, we could put one together.
Okay.
Do you want to put it together?
Can I
okay.
eat this first?
Yes.
Okay.
Give it, and it's kind of got a little crunch in it, so it's good. It's dark chocolate if you like it, but this is really simplistic.
Where do we buy those? Sorry.
You can get those at Trader Joe's, or you can get them online. Like they had them one year even at Costco, so I'm sure that they're just out there. But Trader Joe's has them, and it's
That'd
easy.
Be fun for just an ice cream topper, but take it over the top for
Yeah,
us.
and just do something. This I think is kind of fun. It's kind of conversational. So if you had a group of people, you could definitely do this one. So if you do whipped cream, so we're just layering it up, and then I love meringues. They are kind of light and they're delicious. And every time I use meringues in desserts, people are like, "What is this?
It's that
so
extra,
good."
Yeah, wow.
Yeah, kind of has a crunch in it. Just put the meringues in. Put some. You can sweeten these or not sweeten these, depending on what you want. Just kind of layer it up, almost like a, I don't know, 7-layer dip, 3-layer dip kind of thing. And then just continue until you get to the top.
This is my kind of layered dip.
And then, so it's basically like a reconstructed chocolate dip strawberry.
Yes.
Kind of, but something kind of fun and different.
And then we dip. Hold on.
And then we dip is right.
I mean, tough job. Someone's got to do it.
Somebody's got to taste it, yeah. So I actually think it's delicious. The flavor combination is really good. It's fun, and it's kind of different and unique.
And with the dark chocolate, that cream, the sweetness of the strawberries.
Exactly. It's super, super good.
All right, dessert number 2.
So I'm doing Bananas Foster's nachos.
Oh, fun.
Okay, and you can buy these. Okay, so when I was trying different things, you know, tortilla chips, what? Do I do a little taco thing? These are fantastic, and you can just buy them. They're cinnamon and sugar pita chips, and all you do is just lay them out, put your bananas. You can do a hot caramel if you want, and drizzle that over the top. With your fresh bananas.
All right, all at once, everybody. Ooh, yeah.
If you love rum, which is the classic flavor of Bananas Foster.
Right.
And then just top this with vanilla bean ice cream. You know, do like
See, the presentation, you're right, it is simple, but the presentation's so showy.
It's so pretty. And so, like, really and truly, if you went to, and you had a gathering and it kind of, you know, you went out and it looked like this, I mean, look at how beautiful this is. And it's like nothing.
Oh, that's so fun.
You know, and just kind of something totally fun and different. I made a homemade caramel sauce, which is easy. It's just brown sugar and butter and stuff. But you could just use a regular one too. I like the flavors of both of these, but that's basically dessert nachos.
All right, one more minute. Give us the third and final idea.
Okay, so this is a s'mores lava cake. So you buy the cakes. You can get them at Costco or you can get them at Trader Joe's. You put them in the microwave. Well, you can see how the lavas kind of come out. Then you can drizzle it with a little bit of chocolate.
Because more chocolate is always a grand idea.
I did kind of graham crackers with butter and sugar, like as if you were going to make a, you know, a crust. A crust.
And that's just your base. You just laid it, you kind of just set it down there.
Yep.
You torching for us?
I am. If I can get it to go,
girl.
Come on. It's been temperamental. Well, it's not.
How dare it have an attitude
at
this very moment?
Anyways, you torch it up and you just kind of do it like that.
Yeah.
And I actually think this dessert needs whipped cream with it because
with the heavy chocolate.
It does, because you just need something.
Seriously I took that? Yes, and thoughtfully. Yes.
It was very serious. Put a little bit of chocolate sprinkles. Put a sprig of mint.
Oh my goodness,
and then you just have a gorgeous little dessert.
Amy Richardson, everybody, how about that? Sugar for lunch, another great idea.
Sugar for lunch.
Yeah. Thank you so much. You're always having all sorts of delicious fun. Ooh, I can smell the mint. I can smell the mint.
Good. It smells
you have all
spring.
sorts of delicious fun over on Instagram. Where can we find you?
Great taste buds, and it's lots of fun things there, so follow me.
Well, your creative sugar brain is something we all admire, so thank you. Thank you so much.